On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money. This method does not require any skills, it does not require any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world you can search for Digistore24 and then join. Once you join, you can be able to find products that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. So once you create your accounts and log in on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on it, on scroll down you can see these are digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. There are a lot of them, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then select any of them that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to search by categories, you can click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you can see subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As you scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. They have products under email marketing, education, family and case, fashion, fiction, fitness and health, food and drinks, and many others. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then find available products that you can promote to earn a commission. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote events and seminars. You can promote physical data mediums, services and physical products. Any kind of products that you want, you can find it on this platform and then promote it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, lean bellies. I've been promoting this product and it is one of the best because it has a high cart conversion rate. You can see the cart conversion rate is 20%. That is good. If you promote it to people, you are likely going to make a sale because the cart conversion rate is high. The cart conversion rate is the number of visitors who click on the link of the product and then purchase it. So any product that has 10%, 20%, 30% is a good product that you can promote. In this case, this one has 20, so it is one of the good products that you can promote on this platform. Apart from the cart conversion rate, you can see the commission rate is high, $146.27. So it is one of the best products that you can promote. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. You can see this is the affiliate support page. So when you scroll down, you see the instruction, everything that you need to know before you promote the product. You can read it right here. You can see the traffic restriction. When you click on it, they will tell you the kind of traffic that is not allowed. Everything about the product, you learn it here, and you will also be able to get resources that you can use to promote the product. In this case, I don't need any resources to promote the product. I have my own resources, so I'm not going to be using anything on this page. Apart from the resources page, you can also click on sales page so that you get to know some basic information about the product. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, you can see the ingredients that they use to make the product. As you scroll, you can see many information about the product. So just read through the landing page. Once you read, you can get some basic information about the product before you promote it. The landing page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So if a product does not have a good landing page, the possibility of you getting a sale is low. So you have to always check the landing page of the product that you are promoting so that you can be able to get some basic information about it and then use those information to promote the product. In this case, I've been promoting this product, so I know some basic information about it. Once you get to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, click on promote now. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you click right here, copy promo link, you can see your promo link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to promote the product. You are not required to pay for anything, everything is free. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Tumblr.com. Tumblr is one of the best social media platforms that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. And the best part is that any category that you want, you can find it on this platform. You can post links for free without paying for anything. There is no restriction. You can post your affiliate links on this platform without any restriction. Now what you have to do is that you have to search for a group that is related to your product so that you can post it. There are a lot of different groups, so you have to search for the one that is related to a product that you are promoting. In this case, our product is a weight loss supplement. You can see it is a weight loss supplement, so you have to search for any group related to weight loss so that we can promote the product and then get people to purchase it on Tumblr. So just come right here, you can see the search bar, search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are the groups that you can follow. You can see a whole lot of them. These are groups that you can follow. So when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see, just click on more. Once you click on it, you see a different blogs that you can follow and then post your links. You can see a whole lot of them. Any kind of weight loss group that you want, you can follow it and then post your links for free. You are not required to pay for anything. So let me just click on show more tags. Once you click on it, you can see the different weight loss groups that you can join. As you can see a whole lot of them. So just click on any of them that you want and then join. In this case, I'm just going to use this group as an example, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on follow. Once you click on follow, you have followed the group. The next step is that you have to post your affiliate links onto this platform. So just click on new post. Once you click on it, you'll be able to post your content onto the group. You can join any of these groups and then post your links. For example, you can see this group has a lot of followers. The followers are getting to nearly 1 million. So we are going to post our affiliate link on this group so that we can get many people to purchase the product that we are promoting. So click on the group. Once you click on the group, you are going to see a page like this. If you are not following, you have to click on follow. Once you click on follow, you are part of the group. Now what you have to do is that you have to post your content so that you can get many people to purchase the product for you to make money. To post your content, click right here, new post. Once you click on new post, you're going to see a page like this. Click on text. Once you click on text, you're going to see a page like this. You can write some basic information about the product here and then post it onto the group. So for example, if you don't know what to write, you can come on the product landing page and then copy this information. Just highlight and copy this basic information about the product. Just highlight and copy this. You can see this is some brief information. You can highlight and copy it, or you can use ChatGPT to write some basic information about the product and then post it onto the group. In this case, I'm just using this to demonstrate for you to see, but I recommend you go on ChatGPT and then write useful content so that you can post it onto the group. Now once you have your content, you're going to come back. You can see title. You have to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see you have to write the content here. So you have to come back on the landing page again. Once you come back, you have to highlight this information and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a call to action. So just type something like click here to learn more. Just type something like this. Click here to learn more. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see link. Click on it. Once you click on the link, you have to paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on done. Once you click on done, you can see your affiliate link has been inserted here. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product landing page through your affiliate link. If they make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission. So you have your affiliate link, you have some brief information about the product. The next step is that you have to add some tags. So you can add some tags like diet plan. You can see weight loss supplement. You can add something like this, weight loss supplement. You can see it right here. You can see weight loss. Select that. You can add as many tags as you want so that you can get people to see your content and then click on your affiliate links. Just add as many keywords as you want. Once that is done, you can see for everyone. Select for everyone because you want everyone on Tumblr to see your post. Just leave it for everyone. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post now, so that you can post your content onto the platform. You can see posted. Your content has been posted to the platform and you are going to be getting people who will read the content and then make a pages for you to earn money. Make sure you keep on posting to different blogs so that you can get a lot of clicks and conversions. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.